on the bike. Like when you're popping the clutch, bounce down on the bike, on the back tire. Like that. But do that while you're popping the clutch.
Okay.
See, that's where the traction's at. See? So, what you gotta do is, with your clutch hand, you gotta go rah, 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 but do it as low RPM as you can while still going, so that way the tire's not just going 10,000 miles an hour. You'll get traction.
All right. Fucking asshole. Fuck this fucking bike. Yeah, buddy. Can't tell how bad this is going to be. I can keep going though. I'll let you ride it from here. If you want to take it to that hill, I'll ride it up that hill, but I don't want to walk all the way back. Yeah, no, I got you. You'll be able to ride this, no problem. Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I'm learning.
We were doing shit like this before, bro. I think it's just the rocks got me fucking tired.
This is harder than what we normally do, I think.
Yeah. I mean, the shit in between is what we were already doing.
Yeah. That's not so bad. No, I think he's got it. It doesn't look that bad. I got
it, bro. I think I'm just more tired. What the fuck was I thinking?
You were thinking you're not gonna be able to ride for a couple weekends. Now you're not gonna want to ride for a couple weekends.
Pretty much. Spot on.
Yeah.
God damn it.
This is like the shit I suck at right now. The shit I need to get so much better at. Fuck.
Just balls sending it. But if you're not comfortable, we can do a couple things. You can just kind of pop your front wheel up. I can kind of pull as you probably get off the bike and push and give it a little bit of gas. Another idea is I can maybe try to ride it.
See how bad it is. See. Let me put it in the fucking crawl mode so I don't kill myself. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Yeah.
See how high You okay?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna start it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
That thing's overheating.
Yeah. Is it?
Yep.
That's insane. It just dies.
Yeah, it's got nothing, dude.
Yeah, it's got nothing. I don't know.
We're almost there.
Are we?
Almost there.
I'm feeling it today, bro.
Me too, dude.
Oh my God.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Whoops. I watched him use his front tire for traction on his bike.
He's good, dude.
I told you, these guys are fucking crazy.
These guys are fucking monsters.
This is C-class, bro.
Completely? Really? But I've been riding them for probably like maybe 2 or 3 years. Okay.